Good afternoon, student. Now in today's lecture we are going to see the concept of dynamic typing and typecasting or type conversion. Typecasting, casting that means change, to change the type of variable. Now here our first topic is dynamic typing. What is dynamic typing? Dynamic typing is a feature of Python programming language. Dynamic typing is a feature of Python programming language. Now see what is the use of dynamic typing. Suppose that if we are going to declare a variable x and we are going to assign the value of x is 100. Now if we are going to print this value, now if we are going to print the value of x, now see the output of the x. See here 100 is written. Now again if we are going to define same variable x and having the value Python, now again we are going to print the value of x. Now see the output. See here 100 and Python both will be written by the Python. Now here if we are going to see this, now here you can see that value of 100 is of type integer. This is integer value and this is your string value. This is your string value. Now the advantage of this feature, when x is declared as the integer value, here if we are going to assign value integer, then x is an integer type of variable. This that is here x is an integer type variable, and in second assignment x is string type variable. That means here type of x is integer and here type of x is string. This will change automatically by Python. We are not going to declare the x as integer and x as string. This will automatically convert the type of the variable from integer to string. This is called dynamic typing, and this is supported in your Python, PHP, in any other language. Now this is the concept of dynamic typing. If in other programming language, if we are going to convert this x into a string type, then before the assign the value we have to typecast this variable as a in string. That means we have to declare the x as a string before assign the value. Now but in Python, when we are going to assign the value, the type of x will automatically change according to the value. This feature is called dynamic typing feature in Python programming language. Now second topic is our type conversion, typecasting or type conversion. See here, if a equal to 100 or 10, b equal to 22, C equal to 18.90. Now you can see that this is your integer value, second one is your string value, third one is your float value or decimal value, float value. Now in Python we can done the type conversion with the help of some predefined function. Now for integer we have to use int function. Now to change in string value, any value in your string format, then we have to use string function. This is str function. Now to change any value into your float value, then we have to use float function. These are three functions which are used to type converging or type casting. Casting, that means changing the type of the variable. If we are going to change a into float type, then we have to use a equal to float and write here the value of a. Value of a is 10. Now you can see the output. Now here we can check the output. Print a. Now you can see the output. See here 10 will be converted into 10.0. That means integer type value is going to converted into decimal type. Same thing can be written as if we are going to take some new variable. Suppose that x equal to float a. Float a. Now this will also done the same thing. Comment this line. Now check the output. Now if we are going to convert b into integer type, that means b equal to int (22). Now print b. Now see the output. B is 22. Before converting, if we are going to print here the value of b, if we are going to print here value of b, then here also this is 22, but this is the string of the 22. Here 22 will be the integer value. Now suppose if you are going to print here b plus a, b plus a, now see the output. See here, type error, that means can only concatenate string, not ent to string, that means we cannot add integer value to the string value. Now same, if we are going to print here, type error occurred, type error generated, but in here if we are going to print here b plus a, now check the output. Here both a and b will be added and the result is produced 32, because here b will be converted into integer type of value, so we can add integer to the integer value. This is the type conversion. Now if we are going to convert c equal to str (18.90). Now this will be the string, print c. Now check the output. So this is 18.9, but this is the of type string, not as a integer type. That means we cannot add c plus a or c plus b. If we are going to print c plus b, then check the output. So see, can only concatenate string, not integer to string. Why is it so? Because now here c is converted into string type of variable. This is no longer remains float type of variable, then that's why we cannot add float to string. So this generates the error. Now in our next lecture we are going to see in detail of type conversion, and thank you for watching today.